Square Assembly in Zimbabwe. Welcome to our channel, Zinconfirmations and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanka kukuya panino channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kama chungwa karo subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmari Zimbabwe takuigira nyaya yabuditswa ne Mazimbabwe nzari South Africa vari kuti are calling for a demo musi 6 September. Anzi pane demo yakarongwa people in Pretoria varonga a massive demonstration apari kuenda vachino demonstrate nenyaya yeSADC election observer mission report pamwe chete nenyaya yekukwidzwa kwemafees mapassport. Vari kunzi vasikumira maSouth Africans ari kuda kuvabatsirawo zvakare pamusoro pemaconditions akurarama nevana veZimbabwe kunze kwenyika. VeZimbabwe kuti vaiva vachidisa another chance yekutenda matables on the lifestyle yemaZimbabweans vakurudzirana kuti vaoneke vachiatenda this demo in numbers. VeZimbabwe tinoziva kuti inobudirira here nyaya iyi kuti kwatiri kuita polisi iri kunzi yapa go ahead yekuti vana vari muZimbabwe vanonga vachimacha kuPretoria. So zviri kunzi this is a chance for maZimbabweans kuti vaoneke vachiisa zvichemo zvavo on a world map. Tisingade kuti tisingade kuwesta nguva ichira kuti mungonzwa zvataurwa one of maorganizers edemo iyi wambadza zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Take on this issue, GT Inzwe Audio, report screen.
So there's a planned demo, Muswa 6 September. Ku Pretoria, Rutara about the treatment of Zimbabwean by South African police. Rutara about SADC SCOM report. Runo addressa nyaya ye passport, the passport of Zimbabwe irukudura. Rugu was 6 September with Department of International Relations. How many Zimbabweans are going there? Kune Zimbabwean mangani achabuda mu South Africa achenda ku demo iroro. Ipapo ndo pachakuja kuti Zimbabwean amusi serious, amsati serious. So of course not gonna kuchema but this is the time now. Because we are looking for solutions under this. This is part of the solution. Of 3 million Zimbabweans in South Africa, how many of them are going to that demo? Do you know? 10,000 chete pa demo iroro. 10,000. I don't know 1 million. 10,000 vanu vakaenda kuno demonstrator ku Pretoria embassy. 10,000 chete. Gafarana. But unoona kuri ne vanhu 100 kana 50 che. And then the Zimbabwean tell you damwedi yakaoma. There is a platform to demonstrate. No one will go. So it is not just Nelson Chamisa who is supposed to be on the street. It is the duty of every suffering Zimbabwean to go out on the street and express themselves to say good is our heritage. But how many of you are willing to do that? That's where the problem is. So Zimbabwean, as long as we are not united and we don't have a unit of purpose, we are wasting our effort. And tichangoramba tingoblema tichituka na social media platform kusika Jesa auya. But we cannot have 3 million Zimbabweans in South Africa to know 100 demo. Kwa mwesa vari kupi. And the very same people will be waiting to criticize. Nekutosora nekutopasa ma jokes pa social media nekutanga kutonyomba. We are very good at making jokes about our problem. Tino celebrate Namo. We celebrate Namo. So we need to sensitize every Varume. Meze mimune ama dream South Africa. Pano pa platform. You got your relatives in South Africa. How dare you to 6 September and I go demo. One are Australia and UK go mira to mira and marama manin. Tell them to and I go demo go. Mura demonstrate there one. We are saying, let us fight ZANU-PF. Let us, you are going for a democratic space for Zimbabwe. We need to close the democratic space for ZANU-PF in the diaspora. We need to make sure the ZANU-PF is hated. We need to make sure that ZANU-PF will stink. But it will only happen if we make deliberate effort to go and make it very public. The ZANU-PF is rotten to the core. How do we do that? through demonstration, through petition, through lobbying. But when I go to that, Mari, Equestera and Mari, two bobos that no sort of the Peramangana send. But we are saying, let us go to no demonstrator. Let us show the world. No, it's not Zimbabwean. We are not approving of ZANU-PF. Let us show the South African government with what you did. You cannot endorse a stolen election in Zimbabwe. We do not approve. Let us go there in our thousands to air our grievance and tell the South African government that we are not happy with Ramaphosa. We are not happy with what you did. But how many are you go? Problem at no Zimbabwe. To not tell that even within our own circle, Imomu. And there are narrow sere, Vaita, Oi Demora, Rajuda Osana, I Watende, I Demorani, or rather there was a trust in love, I ran the end, Oi Demora, and there are none, Amati, I attend. As long as we've got that mentality, we are going nowhere. Zimbabwe, wake up! As long as you think that there's a better person who must cover a demo. That kind of myopic thinking. How do we progress together as a nation when we are so polarized? How do we move forward when we are doing 20 steps backward? I don't trust them one. And the end of them, like seriously? You want to find ZANU-PF Wega? Are we not supposed to be putting out a united front and fight as a crowd than fight as a one person? In Bomireuters our face to the other one. Mazimabud, kuna demo was 6 September. Whether you go or you don't go, it's up to you. But Nyaya would remember to comble and Atara the same thing. Is it a solution that it's a problem? Nobody knows that out and Tukana. But when we avow the platform and say, let us use this platform, you find recalcitrant people telling you good name Rugubasa. We need to sensitize every Zimbabwean to attend that demo. We need 3 million Zimbabwean. Even 3 million Zimbabwean are in South Africa, and I go Pretoria. And I want to demonstrate. No one is going to fight your battle. Baruto wane dudula jato ori one shama. Baru sungane homa face uru tunga ori one. Ano dogera humba ari one ndiwe wono face ZANU-PF background. But let us face ZANU-PF trikuno kwa mudi. But murano face ZANU-PF ma background. You will suffer. But we need to get rid of this mentality and present a united front and a good demo.